Y'all, bands, one of the greatest tools for like everything. Stretches, warm-ups, adding extra resistance and working on explosivity and power. It's an amazing tool. So I'm going to show you 2 different ways that you can add bands to kettlebells, and this is the first way. So for a single kettlebell, let's say you're doing swings, something like that, even a front rack squat, going to take the band and I'm going to loop it through like this, put it around here, and then thank you, and then you're going to set it up like a triangle, and you're going to step on that triangle. So now, you know, with your excellent kettlebell swing form, you have your triangle between your feet and your bell. So you're just going to set up like normal, and then when you swing at the top, it forces extra tension. So now you get a much more explosive pull, and you'll notice I'm not coming higher than my shoulders because I'm not using my shoulders. This is all a swing through the quads and the hamstrings and the hip hinge. Tons of different ways that you can actually do a swing, but that's a really good one. So let's say you're doing dual kettlebells. Maybe you're trying to go for some deadlifts, right? We got some like suitcase style deadlifts here, bells next to your feet, hip hinge, pull through. So we want to add band to that. We're going to do the same thing we did for the swing, but we're going to do it literally on both sides. And now you get like this little bridge, this little ladder between these 2 sides of the band. You can stand on that, and then all of a sudden you get an insane amount of extra pressure on the pull through. So it's going to want to make your shoulders lean forward, make sure you're pulling them back and down, and you're going to press through your feet. Reset, all the way up. And that is how you add bands to kettlebells. So give it a practice. If you like it, give me a follow.